really cool new devices, and we've looked at the prop manipulation device a whole bunch, but today I wanted to dive into the pop-up device, and I really wanted to figure out how to make a full-on quiz with this. I ran into a ton of problems on this, so we're gonna learn together. It's time to get to work. And so I started trying to figure out my mechanics, and as I went through each device that I thought I needed, it was really starting to hurt my brain. So I created a spreadsheet that would keep track of what all of my triggers were doing and what do I need for each question. Now I just gotta build it. Let's take my spreadsheet and put it into action here. So question 1, what I need is it to show when I'm receiving from channel 1, hide when receiving from channel 4, and when they respond correctly, it's on channel 2, and incorrectly, it's on channel 3. I'll have to switch those later. And then this activates when receiving from channel 2. When it's triggered, it's going to transmit on channel 500, which will activate the score manager. But I also need another trigger here. Transmits on channel 4, and we'll go to the next question. And then this one is the incorrect answer, so that's receiving from channel 3, and then it transmits on channel 4 to go to the next question as well. One thing I should do here is put up a billboard, but I know what these triggers are for. This is all for question 1. Okay, there's question 1, correct and incorrect. This is gonna help me stay organized as I build this whole quiz out. And then this score manager is gonna activate when receiving from channel 500. That's when someone gets it correct and it activates this trigger. So then I should just have to copy this. So I can copy this real quick and then just to paste this along, right? We got, this is question 2. Let's change our billboard so I don't get confused. And then we just have to change all the numbers according to my spreadsheet. So this would be activate from channel 4, trigger next from channel 7. When they get it right, it's channel 5. When they get it wrong, it's channel 6. So this spreadsheet's actually gonna be a huge lifesaver for me because then I don't have to think about it when I'm going through all of the mechanics. Like when I'm faced here with my billboards and triggers, I'm not gonna get all confused about what number should be what because my spreadsheet tells me exactly what I should do. The top mechanics out there are always having these really cool organizational tricks to make sure it's easy to go back and troubleshoot your mechanics. Okay, so theoretically this should all work. I just need to set up like a button to start the quiz. Okay, right here it's on channel 1. So basically if I say A twice, I should get a score of 2. If I say B twice, I should have a score of 0. Should also start a clock. Let's see if this works. Oh, dang it, I didn't have it spawn when I'm on the ground. I hate when I do that. I feel like the default should just be spawn where you are, but it is what it is. Okay, let's try this. Boom. Okay, question 1, A or B? I don't know if I like that transparent background. I'll have to change that. We're gonna do A. And okay, oh wait, clock started after I answered the first question. Okay, and I'm gonna say B. Okay, we got incorrect. You can see incorrect was triggered there. Where's my score? I forgot to put the score up on the score manager. Dang it. So I gotta fix the score, but it's working. It's going through the right things. And I heard the score trigger when I got the one right. I forgot to add a value when you get a score. Let's make sure I'm spawning at my current location. Let's try this again. Now we've got our score up above my head over there. I'm gonna interact. This starts the first question, and we're gonna do the one right. Okay, yes, it's awarding my score. Sweet. And it's going on to the next questions. This works perfect. It's got the clocks ticking up at the top, which is nice. I want to see what happens when it reaches 10 seconds. Should give me like a warning. Okay, time's almost up. It gives you a little like countdown. So it has that sound effect. That's kind of annoying, but also good because I want people to feel pressure at the end. One other thing I've added a sound when they get it right. So bling, or a sound when they get it wrong. That's the sound. Now I just got to make up a whole bunch of questions so that no one can beat it in under 60 seconds. Unless they've just like played this a whole bunch of times. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Okay, I'm not gonna show you every question that I came up with here because I want you to go and take the quiz for yourself. But I came up with about 20, which would be really hard to do unless you knew the quiz beforehand. All right, now that I'm done coming up with the questions, I gotta do this for them. Hey, what's going on here? My hair looks weird. It grew in! Just kidding, guys. I just got a haircut. Okay, but for real though, I now gotta put in a whole bunch of questions. This is gonna take a while. But luckily, my mechanics are all set up really nicely, so I just have to change a few things. I've already written everything down, so I can just copy and paste it. This is still gonna take forever, guys. So I got to work, and I immediately ran into my first problem. Oh, wait, what the? Guys, you can only have 8 characters for an answer. What? That makes this way harder. I'm gonna have to get creative with my answers. I don't know if this is possible. That's okay, I can figure this out. There's always something, guys. There's always something that like goes wrong. And so I just kept working, trying to think of a solution to this issue. And I finally figured it out. Okay, I came up with a solution for answers that are longer than 8 characters. So you're gonna see in this text right here, you can include line breaks by including this text right here. So up in my text, you're gonna see that I have my question, and then I use a line break using that CR text, and then I show my longer option and what the abbreviation is. And then down in my button text, I have the abbreviations so that it looks like this now. So this isn't perfect, but it's a solution. Now I just had to put in all of the questions that I'd come up with, and this took way longer than I was originally expecting. confusing. There's just so many different variables you have to put in and so many tests I had to do. And I eventually got to about 15 questions and I decided that was enough. Okay, guys. I got 15 questions in and I'm really tired of doing this. Props to all the mechanics out there who do this stuff all day. It's driving me nuts. I gotta take a break. Okay, guys, it's a new day for me. I'm back to my map here. I gotta make this look pretty though. I can't just have, you know, you come in and take a quiz. It's gotta look good. I wanna make like a TV show quiz show, kind of like studio. I'm gonna use the spooky billboard gallery here to do this because I don't wanna make up my own font. Honestly, the guys that can do their own fonts, like, big props to them. I am not one of those people. Oh, guys, I'm already spelling quiz wrong. Q-I? No, it's Q-U. Okay, there we go. That's looking nice. All right, let me just build out the rest of this, like, I don't know, TV studio, whatever you want to call it. Okay, here we go. We've got our quiz show here. We've got the game host here that welcomes you, and then she'll disappear and say good luck there. Come up to the podium. I guess I should customize this button here. Say start the quiz, and they push the button. You've even got an audience up here. Everyone's cheering you on here. This guy is really happy for you. If you win all the money, she's gonna rob you, but you don't actually win any money, guys. Let's give it a shot here. Okay, she welcomes me. Look, it's my name. I put a player reference device there so that it'll show your name, and then we start the quiz. Clock's ticking, and she says good luck back there. Okay, then you can go through the like questions here. Gives you the right answer, the wrong answer. Oh my gosh, I'm just getting them all right. Oh, I got one wrong. Uh-oh, it's not working properly. That's why we test. So this one took me a while to figure out, but I eventually found a duplicate pop-up device that was hiding back here. That was causing the quiz to end early, but I ran out of time then to finish the video, so it's a new day, and I've added just a little end game device here that ends the quiz when the time is up or you finish through all the questions. And if you get through all 15 questions, she will pop up and give you a little like raise the roof. So jump in now and see if you guys can beat my quiz. Like, do it for real. You can always just sit through here and just click through it really fast, but I want to see if you guys can actually beat my quiz on the first try. Good luck. The code's in the description below, and have fun with the pop-up device.